Hello friends, this problem is taken from USA's Junior Maths Olympiad, and in this case you have been given one equation which has two unknowns. Then you have to find the value of these two unknowns. So you have been given x square plus y times x plus y square. This is equals to x minus y whole cube, and it is also given that x, y are non-negative integers. Then what is the value of x and what is the value of y that satisfy this equation? So let us try to first expand the given equation. So you have x square plus y, and this multiplied by x plus y square, and this is equals to x minus y whole cube. So if you multiply, you will have x cube and this plus x square by square plus x times y plus y cube, and this side you will have x minus y whole cube. Now I will use the formula for x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy times x minus y. So let us plug that, then you will have left side will be remain as it is, and then xy plus y cube, and this will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now see, sum of the term will cancel. This x cube and this x cube get cancelled. So what I have? I have x square by square plus xy plus y cube, and this side I will have minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3 by square x. Now I can take by common both sides. If I take by common left hand side, I will have x square by plus x plus y square, and this side I will have, if I take by common, this is minus y square minus 3x square plus 3x by. Now I can cancel by because y is not equals to 0, because it is given that x and y are non-negative integers. So I can cancel by. So after cancellation, what is left? I have x square by plus x plus y square, and let us take everything to the left hand side. So this becomes plus y square, and this is plus 3x square minus 3x by, this is equals to 0. Now let us take the term of by square at one place. So you have by square and by square, this becomes 2 by square, and then if you take by common, then here you will have x square, and here you will have minus 3x, and then these are constant, 3x square plus x. So plus 3x square plus x, and this is equals to 0. Now see, this is a quadratic equation in y. So we can find root of this equation by solving this quadratic equation. So y is equals to minus b, this means minus of x square minus 3x plus minus a square root b square minus 4ac. So b square is x square minus 3x whole square minus 4 times a times c, and c is nothing but 3x square plus x, and this divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. So this is value of y. Now see, in the question it is given that x and y are non-negative integer. This means this is an integer and x is integer. This means this component is also integer. This means this also has to be a perfect square. So I can take this outside the root. So this means the term inside the root must be a perfect square. Then only I will have y as an integer. So from here I can say the term inside the root, that is x square minus 3x whole square minus 4 into 2 8, 8 times 3x square plus x must be a perfect square. So this has to be a perfect square so that I can have y as integer. So let us say we can write this x square minus 3x square whole square minus 8 times 3x square plus x equals to some number square, and number, let's say m. So this can be written as equals to m square. Now let us simplify this expression. So if I square, then this becomes x raised to the power 4 plus 9. So this is 3x, not a square. 9x square and minus 6x cube, and this will be minus 24x square, and this is minus 8x, and this is basically a perfect square. That's why we have m square. Now let us take terms together. So we will have x4 and then minus 6x cube, and the term of x square, here I have 9x square and here I have minus 24x square. This means this is equals to minus 15x square minus 8x, and this is equals to m square. Now I can take x common, so this becomes x cube minus 6x square minus 15x minus 8, and this is a perfect square. Now I want to further factorize this equation, but here I have a cubic equation, but you can find one root from heat and trial method. For example, let us try x equals to minus 1. So this term will be minus 1 q is equals to minus 1, and this will be minus 6, and this will be minus plus, so this is plus 15 minus 8, and this is equals to 0 because minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 minus 15 plus 15, this is equals to 0. This means for this equation x plus 1 is a factor. So let us factorize this equation. So I can write this equation as x times x plus 1, and then if you divide this whole expression from x plus 1, then you will have x square minus 7x and then minus 8, and this is a perfect square, so this is m square. Now let us factorize this term also. You need two numbers whose sum is 7 but product is 8. So you can basically have minus 8x and plus x. So this is x into x plus 1, and this multiplied by x square minus 8x plus x minus 8, this is equals to m square. So from here I can say x into x plus 1, and this will be, I can write this is x minus 8 into x plus 1. This is equals to m square. So I can further re-express. So this becomes x, and this is x plus 1, this is x plus 1. So this is x plus 1 whole square, and times x minus 8 is equals to m square, or I can say x times x minus 8 times x plus 1 whole square is equals to m square. And now here you see this is a perfect square and this is also a perfect square. This means this has to be a perfect square. So now I have a conclusion, that is x into x minus 8 is a perfect square. So this is a perfect square, and let us say this perfect square can be written as n square. So you will have x into x minus 8 is equals to n square. So if you expand, you will have x square minus 8x, and let us say this is equals to n square. Now let us add and subtract 16. So you will have x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 16. This is equals to n square. And this is what? this is x minus 4 whole square, and minus 16 is equals to n square, or you can say x minus 4 whole square minus n square is equals to 16. So this is the main equation from where I will try to find the solution for this equation. So now see, in this equation what you have? You have a number, a square of a number minus a square of another number, and this is equals to 16. So difference of a square of two numbers is 16. Now let us investigate, and these numbers are natural numbers. In this case it is said that it's a non-negative integer basically. So you can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square, let us a square. So a square of 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, similarly 25, 36, and then you have 49, 64, and 81, and 100. Now see, if you have a number that is greater than 81, in that case difference will be greater than 16. So in this case I can say difference is greater than 16. This means my number is less than 9. Now I have to find two numbers whose a square of two numbers whose difference is 16. So two possibilities you can have 0 and 16. In this case difference is 16, so this is one possibility. And the second possibility you can have, that is 9 and 25. In this case also difference is 16. So two situations we will have. Let us discuss one by one. So case 1, I can say x minus 4 whole square minus n square is equals to 16, and now consider this case, that is 16 4 square minus 0 square is equals to 16. So from here I can say in this case n is equals to 0 and x minus 4 whole square is equals to 4 square. This means x minus 4 is equals to plus minus 4. So from here I can say x is equals to 8, that is 4 plus 4 8, or x is equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. And x cannot be 0 because it is given that x and y are non-zero integers. So x and y are non-zero, so this is given non-negative, basically this is non-zero also. So let us add in the problem, this is non-zero integers. So in original problem non-zero is given. So this is x, y are non-zero integers. So this means now I can say x is not equal to 0. So I have only one solution from this case, that is x is equals to 8. Now let us consider case 2. Now in this case we will have 9 and 25. This means I can say x minus 4 whole square minus n square is equals to 16. This means this is equals to 5 square and this is equals to 3 square. This means this is 16. So x minus 4 whole square is equals to 5 square. So from here I can say x minus 4 is equals to plus minus 5. This means x is equals to 4 plus 5 9, or minus 5 plus 4, that is minus 1. So two possibilities you have, that is x is equals to 9 or minus 1, and from this case x is equals to 8. Now we can find the value of y. So if I know the value of x, we can find value of y. So I have pasted the value of y. You remember we found the value of y using the quadratic equation. So I have pasted here the same value for the y. Now different cases we can have x equals to minus 1, or we can have x equals to 8, or we can have x equals to 9. In all cases we can find the value of y. So let us consider x is equals to minus 1. In this case y will be minus of minus 1 whole square, that is 1, and minus of minus 1 times minus 3, that will be plus 3, and inside this root you will have 1 plus 3, and this is a square, and then minus 8 times 3x square is 3 minus 1, and this divided by 4. So let us calculate. So this is minus 4 plus minus a square root 4 square is 16, and this is 8 times 2 16 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here I am getting, so this is 4 not 2, minus 4 by 4, that is in this case y is equals to minus 1. Similarly, you can solve when x is equals to 8, and in that case you will find y is equals to minus 10, and when x is equals to 9, y is equals to minus 21 and minus 6. So what are the solution for xy? So xy pair is, when x is equals to minus 1, y is also equals to minus 1. When x is equals to 8, y is equals to minus 10. When x is equals to 9, y can be minus 6 or y can be minus 21. So there are 4 pairs of solution that is possible for this problem. So I hope you learned something from this problem, and if you like this problem, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.